Inductive versus deductive reasoning. What is inductive reasoning? According to an article on PubMed.gov, inductive reasoning entails using existing knowledge or observations to make predictions about novel cases. Inductive reasoning uses a specific example or observation to create a general rule. For example, my cat loves milk. My friend cat also loves milk. Therefore, all cats love milk. Facts about using inductive reasoning. That's just it. It just isn't always factual information. Sometimes, when using inductive reasoning, your observation can lead you astray. Get it? Astray? Like a cat? Never mind. Moving along. Let's go back to my previous example. Even though I have observed that my cat absolutely loves milk and my friend's cat also loves milk, that doesn't mean all cats love milk. Take this cool cat for example. He only drinks wine. Another example. With inductive reasoning, your theory is only likely to be true if the premises are true. And the more premises there are, the more probable the premises become. Take this pie, for example. I took a slice from this pie and it was absolutely delicious. My mother took a slice from the same pie and said it was delicious. My father took a slice from the pie and said it was delicious. Therefore, everyone else in my family will love this pie. Inductive reasoning aims at developing a theory. First, there is a specific observation. Within that observation, there is a pattern that is developed. Because of that developed pattern within that observation, there is a theory that is then produced. What is deductive reasoning? Deductive reasoning is the process of drawing conclusions that are guaranteed to follow given premises. Deductive reasoning uses multiple facts to form a conclusion. For example, all mammals are warm-blooded. Monkeys are mammals. All monkeys are warm-blooded. Example: any number multiplied by 0 will always equal to 0. 5,642 is a number. Therefore, 5,642 times 0 is equal to 0. Facts about deductive reasoning. There is no gray line in deductive reasoning. It either is or it isn't. Based off the strength of the connection between the premises and the conclusions will create the decision of the deductive statement to be true. I found this example and wanted to share it with you all. In this circle, you will have every fox that lives. All foxes belong in this circle. So anything that isn't a fox will be outside of this circle. In this circle, every canine to ever exist would sit inside of here. Anything outside of this circle cannot be a canine. Foxes are canines. Therefore, no fox would be able to be outside of this circle, and no fox can be outside of that circle because all foxes are here. Therefore, the foxes will have to be in the middle of the circle as presented here. Inductive reasoning uses pattern to draw conclusions, while deductive reasoning uses facts, rules, definitions, and properties to draw conclusion. History of reasoning. Plato believed that all things are divided into the visible and intelligible. Intelligible things can be known through deduction, with observation being of second importance to reasoning, and are true knowledge. In other words, Plato's beliefs were based off what you see and what you already know to be true to create law. He took a more mental approach rather than factual. Aristotle, on the other hand, took an inductive approach, emphasizing the need for observations to support knowledge. He believed that we can reason only from discernible phenomena. From there, we use logic to infer. To sum up Aristotle's inductive approach, reasoning can only be done through observational facts. Well, there you have it, guys. Inductive versus deductive reasoning, or deductive versus inductive reasoning, whichever way you want to put it. But if you want to know where I got all this awesome information from, here goes the references. Check it out for yourself.